Before we start this video, help Palestine by signing the petition in the description. Guys, in today's video we're going to be reviewing a pair of Air Max. I'm not even going to bother call them because the name is just long. So without too much talking, let's get into the video.
Wow, nice suit. Zip it, Stanley.
Make sure you go follow me on Instagram at @tenantschool and make polls and announcements over there.
So yeah guys, here we go. Oh, I had to put some cream on my hands because them joints were ashy blood. But yeah, let's get it. So here they are. And basically the main thing you need to take away from this pair and that you need to know is that it is made out of recycled stuff. 20%. That's a lot. Wow. Nike, you need a medal for that. You know what I'm saying? And the theme is clearly and obviously nature. You know what I'm saying? Right here, you see the leaves? That's right, baby. That's it. That's what I'm talking about, man. You feel me? So I guess the recycled part is here. You know what I'm saying? All of this here and this, all the brown you see, you get what I'm saying? And it is what it is, man. You know what I'm saying? And that's that. You hear? You hear me? And by the way, I'm a big fan of Air Max 95 just because of the multiple pattern in it. But obviously, I don't have the pair of 95s that I got. It's not this one in it. It's different. Do you know what I'm saying? But I got respect for this one. I gotta put some respect on it. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put some respect. What's my favorite part on this? I'ma guess. My favorite part about this pair is legit the artwork that's next to the Nike tag. I find that beautiful. Do you know what I'm saying? And yeah, this is what the inside looks like. Green. You see, the theme is green. The bottom, recycled. I'm not a fan of the bottom. It looks like doo-doo, but it is what it is. It is what it is. You know what I'm saying? But it's, you know what I'm saying, it's innovative. That's why you gotta give Nike. They're very innovative. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, let's put them on. Put them on. But a bit stiff support, man. God damn. Oh. You know what? They actually look nice. No. Let me stop the camera. No, actually they do look nice. But I feel like they'll look better with jeans. Do you know what I mean? Do you know what I mean? But they look nice. I don't find them too comfortable. Do you know what I mean? But it's whatever. I must recognize though that if I was wearing this with like black tracksuits or black jeans, it will look a lot better. Do you know what I mean? Or denim jeans. Do you know what I mean? It's solid. I know that for sure. Can go through a lot. And yeah. It's very rare that I don't have much to say about a shoe because I don't like saying bad things, but this one ain't cutting it for me, man. For real. Let me just give it a one. Let me give it a one. Yeah. All I gotta say about this pair is nah, man.
For me, this ain't it, chief. This ain't it. No couple. It's original, but nah, man. You know what I mean? Nah. Just nah. I'm gonna give it a 7. It's not awful, but it's just no. Don't do that again. Or maybe if I wear it with something, but actually, if I was working it with something different. 7. Yeah, I give it a 7. God damn it. Yeah, god damn it, 7. It's not the one for me, man. It was a boy to them school. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share.